Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a full face of Wet n Wild products. For the most part, I have enough Wet n Wild products to do a full face. If not, I will use something that's affordable, or if there's something that just doesn't work, I will try to substitute it with something affordable. Let's address the two elephants in the room. My hair is blue. If you're not following me on Snapchat, it is always in the description box, but I've had this hair for a month now. I know I've been MIA on YouTube. Life has been crazy. I will be doing a life update video when the semester is over. I am in the middle of dead week, so yeah. And two, my lips are bruised. I have developed a bad habit of biting my lips when I'm stressed or anxious, so my lips are bruised. Also, please excuse my nails. I started to rip them off, and then these four are just being stubborn and won't come off, so we're gonna ignore that. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my face, and this is the Photo Focus Face Primer Dewy. I know I look very dewy right now. It is hot, you guys. It was 80 something degrees today, and this says it's new. I don't know if it's new or not, but I'm just going to do this first, and it would help if I could take off the plastic. So it is kind of like a tan color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm just gonna do. It is very liquidy. Okay. And then I don't have an eyeshadow primer from Wet n Wild, so I'm just gonna prime my lids with the Photo Focus Concealer. And I'm just going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend that out. The eyeshadow palette I'm going to be using, this is the Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette. A lot of people are comparing this to the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, so we will see. But first I'm going to take this fluffy brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to go into this transition shade right here. And that's going to be my transition shade. And then I'm going to take another fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into, let's see, this orange shade right here. And we're going to put that in the crease as well. Take this dark pink shade right here, and I'm going to deepen up the crease. I'm going to go back in with that fluffy brush and blend all of that out. And then since I don't have nails, I'm going to go into, do I want to do an all matte look, or do I want to do a glittery eye as well? I think I'm going to go into this gold shade up here at the top, and I think I'm going to take my finger, since I am missing nails, and we're going to see how this works. Whoa, okay. Okay, yep, that's pigmented, okay. I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush and this orange shade, and I'm just going to blend that out, because that definitely escalated quickly. Then I'm just going to take like a packing brush and, well, not this one, but a packing brush, And I'm just going to fix this lid color because it's a little, ugh. I am going to do liner, but I'm not going to do a wing. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I don't even know if this is still good. I've had this for so long now, so I don't even know if it's like still any good. I'm hoping it is because I really want to do eyeliner. I don't think it's really any good anymore, so I'm gonna have to use, yeah, I'm gonna have to use another eyeliner. But for right now, I'm going to move on to my face. So I've already primed, so I'm going to be using the Photo Focus foundation. I have mine in the shade Espresso. I'm pretty sure this was the darkest shade on Ulta. If you guys did not see me haul this, I will link that video up there. I don't remember what side it's on. I've been on YouTube for so long now, but hopefully this is the right shade. I'm pretty sure this is the darkest shade on Ulta's website. I could be wrong. This could not be the darkest shade. I'm really hoping that it matches me. If not, I'll probably cry. And then it does just have like this little spatula thing going on, so I'm just gonna, you know, swipe this on my face, hope for the best. I'm also having like an allergic reaction on my face right now, so I don't know what I'm allergic to. I probably should not be putting on makeup, but I really wanted to film. I missed filming, I missed you guys, so here we are. And hopefully this doesn't make it worse, or this doesn't make me look crazy. I'm going to blend it out with my Real Technique sponge, but I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus first because it's kind of been sitting here for a little minute. Of course, it is very orange on me, and it kind of smells like paint in a weird way. But I knew it was going to be orange like all foundations are. I've yet to find a foundation that is not orange on me, so I'm not gonna you know, hold that against them or anything, because even high-end foundations are very orange on me. Yeah, it's very orange. But we're gonna fix it. Hopefully, hold on, let me make sure I get all the way up here. I don't need none of that. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using the Photo Focus concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa. I've used this before. I've had this for a while. I actually really like this concealer. So let's see how they pair together. So I'm just going to highlight the face. And then I don't have a loose setting powder, but I do have this pressed Photo Focus pressed powder in the shade Dark Cafe. So I'm just going to use this for all over my face just because I don't have a loose pressed powder. So I'm going to move on to my brows. This is the Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil in the shade Medium Brown. I don't even know if this is going to work for me, but literally my Walmart only had like ash brown in this color. So I'm not very sure if these are the only colors that Wet n Wild has, or if these are just the shades that my Walmart carries. But on one end you have the product, which has like this kind of tip, and then on the other end you have a spoolie. So I'm really hoping that this works for me and that it's the right shade and it actually shows up. If not, I'll just have to use another brow pencil, but let's hope for the best. And I've never used a brow pencil with this kind of slanted tip before. It's kind of like the Anastasia brow definer. So yeah. Okay, yeah, this really isn't showing up on me, so I'm gonna go get another brow pencil and I'm gonna do my brows and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my ColourPop brow pencil because listen, that wasn't working, and we're gonna fix this. To clean that up, I'm going to take some of that concealer and put some on the back of my hand, and we're just going to clean up the brows. Don't have a brow gel from Wet n Wild, so I'm just going to use my regular old Great Lash, whatever, something or another. I did get a blush from Wet n Wild, and again, if you've seen my haul, I am very, very worried about this blush. When I ordered it online, it looked a little bit different than this, and then I got it and I'm a little concerned. This is the Wet n Wild Ombre Blush in the shade in a purple haze, and y'all, I don't think this is gonna work. Like, I'm really nervous about, like, hold on, let me swatch it. Yeah, no, y'all, no, do y'all, no, that's not, no, absolutely not, no, get off my hand, like, no. Okay, then I'm gonna just go in with my ColourPop blush, and I don't remember the shade, but I've used it a couple times. And then for highlighter, I have talked about this in a favorites video. This is the Wet n Wild Crown of My Canopy highlighter. I talked about this in a favorites video a while back, so if I can find it, I will link it wherever. But I'm just gonna take a fan brush and highlight my face. My under the brow bone highlight, I'm just going to go back into the Wet n Wild palette, and I'm just going to take this light shade up at the top, and I'm going to use a very light hand because I don't need to look crazy. Wet n Wild do have bronzers, but none that would fit my skin complexion, so there was no point in buying them. I'm going to be using the NYC liquid liner because my Wet n Wild one was just dried out and it wasn't going to work. Hopefully this one isn't dried out either. Sloppy, but we're gonna put on lashes anyway. So I'm going to do my lashes, and I think that'll be the last thing that we have to do before lips. So I'm going to do my lashes and then I will be back. For lips, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit Liquid Lipstick in the shade Goth Topic. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. For the most part, I enjoyed all of the products that I used except for that Wet n Wild Ombre blush. That was just that was just a no-go for me. But for the most part, everything else that I used, I really enjoyed. I'm really loving this dark lip with my blue hair. I have to be really careful with the colors that I put on my face and my lips and eyes and stuff because I don't want it to clash with my hair. So I was going to do a nude lip, but I've been doing nude lips for the past 2 weeks ever since I've been doing my makeup, so I wanted to do something different. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And also make sure to hit that bell so you are notified when I upload. I'm going to be back now that the semester is over. I will be filming a life update for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.